ECDA stock analysis and ECDA stock prediction. What I'll be doing here is showing you my exact play with ECDA stock. As the only person in this space with 42,000 videos and actually documented once, no one else has done it. I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. This in particular, I was waiting for a double break. What happened next was just not expected, but consolidated, bum, pumped like crazy, and then came down, sort of. So what I'm going to do is just get rid of this. My idea that I want to see the lows get cleared out is still hasn't changed. So if there is some sort of a double break, I'm looking to take it further down. Anything else would just rather be noise, and all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting. Right? ECDA, let's pop up here. Two results. Yeah, man, not bullish. I mean, this might be sad for some, but I'm just sticking to something that I've tested, seen works. And if you want to learn that for hours, not years, that's taking me 5 years, click the first link below. It's risk-free. 1,200 people have tried it. All 5 stars, risk-free. Click first link below.